today, two papers, eh?
Alright.
Pakakina Vikimin na tumbo kayo ng television sa Arab Dems.
And I'm to everyone joining this morning, to all the father, to all the mother,
Iyo.
to all the human beings joining this morning, to all that have ears, to all that have brains,
Iyo.
to all and everyone that have everything that can saturate in our five senses to feel something.
Dono mo ba na?
We are good morning to you this morning. It's the last 2 days
Dono mo ba na?
of this month. We are want to say bye-bye to October.
Iyo.
November is kambian sa bere.
Iyo.
Iwala deko December.
Right.
Finish karoyar na.
Iyo.
2025.
Dems, okay, terus ang tingin mo may sarang bala mo terus na matali ko, eh? Ang ngandar may bala mo terus, okay. Vikimin na kadrabi to karbi may hingga imbita may nabuno ni borong subit ka na matali ko. Na why do some women
Yeah.
when they bake like their dough nangulo sampu ta may kina it's hard. And why some very very soft.
Okay, depending on the ingredient you use. Some of us, we are use, especially when the hardest part of a dough, it's hard
Iyo.
because of less egg. Women less egg.
Okay?
They put into the flour to mix it together. That makes the dough
But
harder.
some women whenever they bake it's always hard.
Because daddy is there. Daddy
Oi.
like doing the dough, inky ponky. The was side. Never watch your mama.
Iyo.
Because sometimes when you watch them, they are same.
Uy.
Yeah. It's feel them hardly to difficulty because you are watching them.
Iyo.
Don't watching them. They are doing their job.
Right.
Especially when you disrupt their baking material.
Okay. So the fathers are not allowed in the kitchen if mama is mandua.
Yeah, just help.
Okay.
If you stay there with the kind of clothes that you wear that adapted, or you know,
Iyo.
you
Kaya
have
sulba ka tanga o what?
sulbatonga.
Oh, sulba tonga.
Sulbatonga and you like judgmental.
Okay.
Mole bakalewabul that carries the big
Wait.
way through the baking powder.
So the outcome of the what's been baked
Yeah.
will depend on how dada spoil
Yeah.
or make fun of what mama is
Yeah,
baking.
don't judge mama while doing anything or spoil mama or mama doing something on keeping on mama. Come,
Yeah. What for?
we come and ruin.
Mama.
Darumen roin.
Balik kalasin tua. Ayan mo na kana LM69.
Ha.
No sorry and matagdi ko wise tong di balu.
Iya.
Ako din binaka matagdi ko patake pita tawaki.
Oh, malo to bata.
Yeah.
All the way from
Okay.
UK.
This
Ham.
Wakanda,
Ha.
he always stay in the kitchen too.
Oh,
Pita tawaki.
Yeah, no, he is a kitchen hand.
Yeah.
He helps people.
Alright.
He helps mama.
Yeah.
But he drinking grog.
But some people say it depends on the mood of mama.
Yeah.
If
Ha.
mama is happy,
Yeah.
everything will be soft. The body will be malumu. The scone will be karabinaka kasere. The pie will karabinaka.
Yeah.
It depends on the mood of the mama.
If
So the dada is there to help the mood. What do you say?
Oh, no, that does not help the mood. He help the move. Yeah. Okay, daddy. Kaya magkatukin, it's not help the mood of
Yeah,
mama.
yeah.
He help the move of mama.
Okay, your namesake, Joseph, they may say, then bake dada.
Big dada me kata-kata. No, simbero
Okay, it depends on
Merara.
it depends on mama's mood, eh?
Oh.
Eh?
Yeah, it's Ben.
Yeah.
Because mama, when mama's happy,
Yeah.
everything in the kitchen, in the home will be happy.
Right.
If dada is happy,
Yeah.
only some of us will be feeling the other 50% of our lives
Yeah.
is with Papa. And if mama's happy,
Yeah.
oh, everybody, Papa, children, doggy, and Ketty, Nakuli, Nabusir, Ramaro,
Yeah.
because of Mambo,
Yeah.
the flowers, they will be happy because they will watering.
Okay, one question.
Come.
What if dada is happy and mama is like 50% happy?
So
What will
that-
happen to the bun that the mama is baking?
Mama have to do one password for the bun.
Right.
That can make Papa is happy.
Papa is
50% of Mama is just give the password. The
Oi.
password of your Facebook, Dada,
Yeah.
first of all.
Yeah.
And also the pin of your card. You can see Mama. Oh, like a booster.
Okay, tu kau tu motor boleh, but so tu apa babi? So tu malumu, so rasa nika.
Yeah.
Okay.
Depend too on the egg.
Oi.
If enough egg, then because the egg that helps the dough coming soft.
Oi.
Malumu.
Okay.
So if Dada got a egg and bring from the me boleh mau Dada, if Dada buying egg from the store, Mama will be happy.
Dada got 2 eggs.
Leme
Okay.
kita matay bakata na bila kasolong gol sini karawa bula ada. Yeah, come.
Okay, another question, Demesia.
Question.
If Mama
Mama.
is not happy, she's unhappy this morning
Yeah.
about something, what should Dada do?
Dada do me wala ba na biya na kananggalu.
See, they are staying apart.
Yeah.
Ngol tu kata ko Dada.
Oh,
And
alenga.
Mama is not feeling that 100%
Ah.
happy.
Surprise
so happiness
visit.
is not there.
Yeah.
What should Dada do? Leave the job? Or call? Or video call? Or what? Send a message or what?
Kaya baka
To help them this morning, Mai.
Okay, if Dada
Yeah.
is far away from Mama,
Yeah.
Mama does not in the mood of servicing.
Yeah.
Sino tu ni binakatoko na bengarabi, and Dada is away. Okay, for me,
Yeah.
if Dada face this thing Mama face, Dada,
Yeah.
don't resign, just terminate yourself. Come home. We are in the sarbo lang ako na mulai ngunu-ngunu. Kilabi na katunggo Dada, LT 1230 Dubs. Ano binakataling ko?
Okay. Ocho sini question go.
Come.
Some Dada
Ha.
like feeling
Aire.
baby rich.
Oh.
Nangoner daw tu matikina. Kaya ba mene
Ha.
langoner tu matikina. What should Mama do?
Okay, Mama do, first
Yeah.
of all,
Yeah.
you start from top.
Right.
Matay, William non Alice.
Right.
Trying to find a kutu.
Why?
O Alice, meron yung bindika, just test his earring.
Oi.
Nanororong. Kaya baka rongoda, if daddy hear his dadalindi ni kutu,
Yeah.
then he's okay. Coming down.
Iyo.
Check his ears. Check his eyes.
Oi.
Check his eyes.
Nakatuwa ka moment.
If Dada see you in a mirror
Iyo.
and he is in love
With who?
with Mama,
Iyo.
please, you stay away. He's okay. Say, okay, coming to the nose. If you poke the nose, if he sneeze, okay, daddy is okay.
Right.
Come to the mouth, open the mouth.
Oh, yeah.
If you see two tongue,
Yeah.
okay, daddy is okay. Coming down to the hand. If daddy shake hand with Mama,
Go to the throat
okay,
and check the mouth again.
Okay.
If Dada is not opening the mouth,
okay.
give them galu in there.
Ano ba ko mo Dada Mila? Comment nga ba na tano? Nimbole na kana se mo le mena utabi ni kuha. Hey, please help Mama, help
Yeah.
Dada, please help Mama.
Yeah.
Help whatever forms of helper.
Iyo.
Be punctual to your family.
And if you hear this sound like going to the back, going to the knee.
Ano na ka John Kumar? Bilesenia.
Rustafa.
Isa. Rustafa memba, tama rawi. Isa to yan, rato na memba.
Ren Sandes mbule menaka mbulare Lucio Toboli mbulre. Muabe katirewan ro mbule menaka turanga mbule menaka muabe.
Ano na ka?
Mata no mubakayo. Elutu na kenguideng. Sandina John Kumar. Oh, John Kumar. All the way from Bararaveli this morning.
Yeah.
We say good morning to you. Thank you very much. Mili suka na tahu buat mayun. May libu lambas.
Wala level housing.
Iya, may lambas.
Ano na may lambasa. Steve Mafia, ano na
Silver.
ka?
Oh, wasu. Take mama sa manggalu.
Laite dang itu ebe.
Tamay Josi, ode ay Andrew.
Iyo.
Sani bulare.
Nem, ano na ka? Rokomano ay nasaliata. Koto malam tu ano na ituraki. lemeki mbakata yar bina kana matagani kwa so se vede Messi no me ada goli se di karawa ke na matavio kani ana se ni ili wula kala beti roko mil da levu tame wai ser bina ka peki bino kada bito kabli mai rongoda no muhat like bota kena shia ana mataka di bakat nambi sini
isa bina bale usara kera mikero sadaba
iya
bina bale usara se menang kai light hat se takan on talai
right
membale tidak da ke mama en apa babi